Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off safe browsing if you're facing some website issues like they won't be able to log in or get on the browser, like you are facing some errors. So turn this off to get on the board. So let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and then go to main menu and then click on settings and then click on privacy and safety, and there you will find safe browsing. Click on that and then simply you can see over here on the top note. So you will get warning when unsafe website may try to steal password and other personal information. So I suggest you to do not turn this off and use safe browser to never get any steal password or your personal information. But for the course of the video we have to tell that how you can turn off. So simply click on off and it's gonna be give you a pop-ups over here. So you have to do is click on turn off, and that's it. That's how you can turn off safe browsing on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.